Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, June 8th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile for SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. So let's start off with some very famous trading phrases. What traders will do, it's worked until it doesn't work anymore. What's been played before affects what happens next. Well, those two things have held so true these past 8 days, it's not funny. As basically they attempted to do what they did Monday, right? I mean, we didn't gap higher, but we tried to go higher. Couldn't take out the balance high, just like on Monday, couldn't take out the balance high. And then we rolled over and attempt to go back. We take out the trend day, and we attempted to go trend down, but today it failed. We had two tails of 2 days, 6 time frames at the highs, 6 time frames at the lows, and G was in the middle. We end 7 wide. We have over a $5 range, and the only thing we have is today's high and today's low, which is poor in ES, not for SPY. Same scenario with Qs. Russell, a bit of a different story. In fact, Russell, it's a little disappointing because they got above the 50 again today. They tried to break out of balance to the upside. They had nothing until the monthly high above them, and they give it all up. And not only that, they go out with a double distribution day down with single prints. Very disappointing. We had overlap on a higher value all day. Last time frame went to overlap on a lower. So a lot of things in play. The bottom line is this: it's a huge, not huge. It's only $10, but it's a. What I mean huge, it's a long balance. I was looking at the daily. I can't find an 8-day balance that was so really tight like this all year. Really, we've had some 6-8 day balances, but this one has really been right inside. We really haven't broken out of it either way at all. Good day today. Knocked them around a bit. Again, this is a factor of chipping away this entire month. That's all it's going to be for me. I took a short in a period against yesterday's high. Why? Because they've been proven they can't get above it right away. Took a 50 lot put play, 417s. Worked out beautifully as it came in. Then I didn't do anything till D because nothing was happening. B, C. So D, when D took out the day's high, I took out another short. Not a big one this time because I thought maybe it'll take out the IB high, but I took a short and I would have added if we got nothing above the day's high, 417s. Then an E period, I thought maybe we would finally pop the top. I didn't wait till we took out D's high. I took the long probably, I don't know, somewhere around here, right below B and C's high, but it was a 50 lot. And it paid me enough, even though it didn't take out the day's high, popped out D and made money on the 416 calls. F period. I was like, maybe we could have an afternoon pullback. I wasn't going to pull the same thing that happened on Monday to me, I can tell you that much. Had a small long, actually made money on it, on the 412 calls. And then when G started and took out F's low, I'm like, fool me once, shame on me, fool me twice. Shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. And I got short in G twice, 413 puts. That paid me very, very nicely. Almost took a huge put play. I was like, you know what? This is going to do what it did Monday. I was looking at the 413 puts. They were trading at $1.13. I said I could buy 200 of them here. I didn't do it. Should have. I ended up only buying 30, but had a very nice trade. I shorted I to go fill the rest of our single prints, 413 puts. Then in J, I'm like, I think they might attempt to stop one-time framing. So I bought calls, 411. They did, but I didn't get a lot out of it. And then I took a short in J as we went down, saying we're going to go make a new low on the day, 411 puts. So it was 411 calls, 411 puts in J. And then in L period, I said, okay, I think we're going to pop the top one more time and take out these shorts because J, K, and L got nothing away from I's low. And I made out okay on 411 calls. That was it. But it was a good day with all those trades. As far as destinations for tomorrow, this is fascinating. We have 4 highs for our next destinations, 3 daily and a weekly. We have 4 lows for our downside destinations, 3 daily and a weekly. That's it. There's nothing in between. No wide POC, no single prints, no pullbacks, no rally highs. So when they come out of this balance, it's going to be fascinating, if it's not a head fake, what kind of move we get. So the only thing I'm going to give you today is today's high, which is 415.82, and today's low, which is 410.38. Should have everything else I gave you over the past days. And then on the chart, here's your daily. There she is. Look at that, 8 days. Now again, this is the end of December, beginning of January with our all-time high, 6-day balance. Here's a 6-day balance. This might be a long one, 3, 4, 5. This is a 7-day balance. But this has been a real tight 8-day balance. This was balanced too, back and forth. But it tried to get, to me, this went down actually, and then we came back into balance. This has been pure balance for a $10 range for 8 days. The 50 coming down, the 20 coming up. We might have another day of this tomorrow. I don't think there's anything big out tomorrow. So my guess is the CPI might be the catalyst that gets us out of it. If not, we might have to wait to FOMC day next Wednesday. All remains to be seen. Volume horrendous again. We're at 57 million. That continues to go down as that contracts. Range still good over $5. Hope you had a good day trading. Really appreciate the likes and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.